Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and in this video, we're going to talk about how to uh, make a title and how to insert a header. So, as you can see on the screen, whenever we start writing, we start from the left, okay? Because that's the normal way we write in English. We write from left to right. And that's why we see the blinking line on the screen telling us where we're going to start. So let's say I'm going to say Mission of San Diego. Okay. So this is the text that I want to use to do my title. So I'm going to highlight the text because when I highlight it, I'm telling the program this is the text that I want to put in the middle. Now, if we zoom in, you will will look for a button that looks like a bunch of lines. So I'm not seeing it here right now on the dashboard. So I'm on the menu. So I'm going to click on the three dots, and that is the align or indent button that you want to work with. So see how the lines are starting from the left because it's a line to the left. Now I'm going to click on the down arrow and I get more options. I want to center it. So I click on the center align. Okay. So whenever you are putting a title, use the align and indent button that I showed you. All right. Now, this is the title of our essay. If I want to put a header, how do I do that? A header is different from the title. The header is on the top area that I just showed you right now. I'm going to see if I can um, put a color, and I don't think I can do that. But this area here is the header. What is the header for? The header is for putting in the name of the student. So put your name, then press enter, put your teacher's name, press enter, and finally put the class, put the subject. Okay. So this will do for now. Put this your name, the teacher's name, and the subject. And that's how you put a title for your essay and you enter a header.